Okay, guys, good morning. So, well, the market has been in this crazy ride. The ES was just consolidating. Was looking at the Nasdaq, but look at these big movements. And the morning was very whippy. It's incredible. These guys. The best thing to do is after a non-farm, a interest rate decision is not to trade, guys. This is every year is the same. Every time these guys talk about interest rate, the market next day goes wild, wild, wild. It's non-tradable. Okay, so the best thing is to wait. For example, here at noon, where the European market is closed. Okay, so you don't have problems with those markets because those algos really come to mess everybody's lives. And I wouldn't recommend trading in the
Order
morning.
submitted.
Right now we have momentum to the upside. We have blue lines. You see the blue lines here. You see these triangles here. This one, this one, this one. These are high-speed triangles. They basically are high-frequency traders. So you see here was a big sell, maybe a big buy here, and then they sold it here. Okay, so they bought it here, then they bought it here, and they sold it here. You barely can see the triangle here. And these are very small trades. These guys just get very small trades, but they trade big lots, so it's very quick, very quick.
Max delta time.
So we don't know
Speeding.
what to do right now. The market is messy, 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 messy. But right now it's the the volume has in the volatility uh, has come to a tradable moment. So let's see if we can make one trade. We can really see correlation, tape momentum. You see 410 selling here. It's gotta be very aware of what's going on. Nasdaq is trying to go lower. Let's see the ES what's gonna do. You see, for example, you get into this trade, and the pullback will just be eating you alive. You're gonna be losing here 150 $200. So yeah, the market is very strange right now. Very strange. You
Max
see,
delta time.
we cancel this
Order
trade.
canceled.
And Nasdaq it doesn't know what to do. You see a lot. You see 414 selling in the micro ES. Then we see buyers in the tape again. So of course, there's gotta be some kind of algo or algos in the market. They're buddies, they trade. They're trading buddies, you know. They must be friends around this high frequency trader that they send the information along, insider information, to trade, because it's impossible for one guy to make all these movements. So it's very difficult, guys. So it's better to just watch the market trade or do something else. Go watch TV or do something that you gotta do uh, just to pass the day. So it's very very complicated. If you don't know what you're doing, if you cannot handle what you see, it's better to not trade, not to trade. Like I always say, stay away from these small legs. You see these small legs here, whippy. It will just stop you out all day long. Then this happened. Was so quick that is very very complicated. You could have been all day waiting for a good setup in the ES, and you know before the first hour of trading you could have been done for the day with a big loss. Okay, guys, so we're gonna wait and see what happens. Okay.
Order submit. Order filled.
Okay, we're gonna give it some room. See tape momentum in the Nasdaq. Okay, there we go. It's barely moving. See correlation to the downside. We can verify by our eyes that all the instruments are pointing down. Like I said before, it's
Max delta per
what can
time.
help you.
Speeding.
What can help you a lot is if you can add the tick in the instrument. You know, that's the tick instrument is the breadth of the market, so that you can check if all the stocks are going up or down. So it really can give you a really good indication of what the market is doing. I think you can get that by, if you just have futures data, you can go to Kinetic and buy the, I think it's like $50 or $60 a month, and it has that type of data. Yeah, Nasdaq is not helping, just stalled there. We got late to the party. Just one trade. If it's a stop loss, it's a stop loss. Tomorrow is another day. Morning volatility was just crazy. Just closed the damn Ninja. It's not even tradable.
Max delta per time. Speeding.
Okay, guys, this short didn't work out. Nasdaq just decided to go higher, and here goes the ES. We can see buyers in the tape. We had the blue tape momentum. Okay, I shouldn't go short here. I was thinking about correlation, but we never had a tape momentum short like over here. So it was my bad here. Didn't follow the system. Okay, let's see if this one works out. At least we can get break even. Nasdaq's pointing higher. We see big buyers in the tape here in the Nasdaq. There goes the ES.
Order submitted.
Yeah, the tape is really moving in the ES now. It didn't even move from the short here. So the sentiment wasn't to the downside. See tape momentum in the Nasdaq. All is green here. There's no room for shorts right now.
Order filled.
Okay, we'll let it play out. Everything is green. The Nasdaq here made a pullback, but we didn't see any tape momentum to the downside, so we just held to the position. We're above the linear regression. Didn't see tape momentum in the ES2, so at least break even. Market really wants to go higher, but we never know.
Max delta per time, speeding.
Take momentum in the Nasdaq correlation. I see no sellers here, so market has to go a little bit higher. It's common sense, guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna exit here, guys. Market is like stalling.
Target filled.
Gonna get some.
Target filled.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna build here.
Order filled.
Nasdaq has tape momentum to the downside, and I don't want surprises. You know the Nasdaq how it is. If these guys turn around, they can be going lower in a very fast way. So now I see the tape very aggressive. Not over here, like over here, there was no tape aggression. Right now, we do have tape aggression. So that's a heads up that these guys are very aggressive, and the time and sales populated very quickly. So I really appreciate you watching the videos, guys, and if you are interested in the system, just let me know. There's the contact in the description of this video, and thanks for watching, guys.